Hello everyone, this is Jacob Ames, Applications Engineer with Hawk Ridge Systems, here today with another installment to the What's New in SOLIDWORKS 2018 video series. This video is going to look at a brand new enhancement to 3D Interconnect, which made its debut in 2017, giving users a really nice new method for importing and collaborating with non-SOLIDWORKS models. Now we do have a lot of resources on using and working with 3D Interconnect, so I encourage you to check those out. This video is specifically going to look at the new enhancement which allows unconsumed sketches and curves to be leveraged to drive SOLIDWORKS features. Now the model that we're currently looking at is an assembly with multiple components that have been imported and they're non-native SOLIDWORKS files. So those 4 items there in the Feature Manager design tree with the green arrow are from non-SOLIDWORKS CAD programs, and we can use a lot of information from these, including those unconsumed sketches and curves. Now the first step in taking advantage of those is to make sure that the settings are set correctly. So from System Options, access the Import category, and you'll find a file format drop down at the top of the dialog. Here you'll find a category for Inventor, CATIA V5, Creo, NX, and Solid Edge, and these are the CAD programs that support those unconsumed sketches and curves. Selecting this will reveal a checkbox for unconsumed sketches and curves, and you'll want to make sure that's turned on to take full advantage of these. Once those are set properly, we will actually find our 3D sketches, or 2D sketches, or curves within the component itself. Here you'll find a nice sketches folder containing any sketches, and you may have additional folders as well if applicable, and we can use these to our advantage. Now we could use convert entities in order to accomplish the same thing, but in this case it's much easier to use the sketch that's already been developed for us. So we're going to be using the sketch highlighted on the screen, and you'll notice that if I hide our display here, we're actually missing the features for mounting this properly. So we want to take advantage of those sketches and create those features. We'll simply edit the part we want to apply the features to, start a sketch on the front face. We'll go find that 3D sketch that we were just looking at, and we'll do a simple convert. And we can use these to drive features. You can clean up the sketch as needed. You can add additional sketch entities as you see fit. It's very easy to work with. And remember, we're actually creating a parametric link between SOLIDWORKS and the native CAD program, so if any changes are made to the original file, they'll propagate here as well, so you have that full associative capability. A simple extruded cut is going to do the trick for us here, and very quickly you'll see how we're able to use those unconsumed sketch entities to create some nice features for assembly. So a really nice new improvement to 3D Interconnect, helping you collaborate even better with those non-SOLIDWORKS file formats. And this is really just one improvement of many that have been made this year, so definitely check out the rest of our videos in the What's New series and our blog as well. If you appreciated this video, please give us a like, subscribe, or visit us at hawkridgesys.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.